In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create AI ads with Nanobanana. So first of all, we need to go to NovoAds AI. This is the best platform to create AI ads, and actually you can try it for just $1. So once you arrive here, you need to create an account, and after that, you will arrive here. Here, we need to go to the image section, and here we need to click in settings. Here, be sure that the model is Nanobanana Pro. This is the best model nowadays of Nanobanana. And here, I'm going to choose only one image. In the aspect ratio, I'm going to use the portrait aspect ratio because this is the best for Instagram post. And in resolution, I'm going to put 2K. Now, here in reference, I'm going to upload an image of my product. And here, where it says describe your image, I'm going to use the following prompt. But here, where it says Spanish, change it to your language, for example, English. And in the aspect ratio, be sure that it's the same that you put here. Now, let's click here. And now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect. Here we have the image. And as you can see, the quality is really good. I really liked this ad and could be used as an ad for your social media, like Facebook, Instagram, etc. So if you like it, I wanted to remember you that you can try NovoAds AI for just $1. And if you have any doubts, you can comment me in the comment section. So see you in the next video.